welcome back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get all the little information for your gadgets out here. And today we are going to talk about Lenovo's Yoga 3 out here, offering you a great screen size of 14 inches. This is a very amazing variant out here. And since we talk about Yoga series, then we can say that it also has that 360-degree flip design out here, as well as this is a very amazing version. When we talk about Yoga series, we can say Yoga 3 was a different variant as compared to other Hunter series out there. It was an early variant out here offering you up to 5th generation Intel Core processor. Yes, this is a version which offers you up to 5th generation out there along with the Windows operating system and a multiple way use Yoga Pay. What does these things mean? These are the highlights out there which means that what are the special features or the specifications or the special featuring of this particular gadget. Talking about Yoga 3, we can say that it follows all the variations, all the norms which are actually in Yoga series. Like it can be used as a tablet, it can be used as a laptop, it can be used in different variants out there. Along with that, it also offers you a great Windows operating system, that is Windows 8.1. Along with that, it offers you a great range of, you can say, processing, which is up to 5th generation, along with thick, it has got a very thin design, which is a lightweight design. As well as if you talk about this variant, then this is an ultra portable that it can be easily carried out from one place to another. Along with that, if we talk about the display type and the harmony it uses, then it uses a great harmony settings out there along with a full HD display. Yes, 14-inch screen size offering you full HD display along with intelligent audio control. What does this audio control mean? That it has got really a good range of audio input output. Yes, it offers you great range of audio input output out here, of great visualizations. Everything is really good out here. Talking about this variant, talking about Yoga 3 out there, we can say that offering you up to 5th generation Intel Core processor, specifically i7 processor, is offering that is really good. It is offering up to 5th generation. Apart from that, it offers you Windows 8.1 update. This is not the home edition, this is an updated version edition out there and can be updated out there, which is Windows 8.1 update out here. So offering you great Windows operating system, great processing, great screen size of 14 inches, full HD display out here. This is a really good looking variant because it has got thin design, sleek design, it is lightweighted, being less than 2 kgs or we can say approximately 1.6 kgs out there. So this is really good. Talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you a good audio and video quality because the graphical part used out is really good. It offers you integrated HD graphics, 5500. Yes, it offers you Intel's HD graphics that up to 5500. That is really amazing. Apart from that, if you talk about the memory type, the RAM type, then we can say that it offers you up to 8 GB RAM in the DDR3L type. The RAM used out is in the variant of DDR3L type, as well as it offers you up to 8 GB RAM. Along with that, if you talk about the display, if you talk about display personalization, then we can see that it offers you resolution in 1920 into 1080. That is a full HD resolution, the native resolution out here. It is not offering you a variety or a variant out there, but is definitely offering you a great range of resolution, screen type, dimensions out there, weight. Everything is really good. Standardized weight, we can say, or we can say the webcam out use. Everything is quite good. Talking about the webcam, because Intel HD graphics 5500 is being used out, it offers you a good webcam offering you 720 pixels out there. This is really good. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, then we can say that memory of up to 8 GB is good, but what is about the storage? What kind of hard disk storage is there? It offers you SSD type storage. Yes, it offers you SSD type storage mostly. That is standardized out there. with up to 256 GB. So this is the storage capacity, that is 256 GB, up to 256 GB it can have. Offering you GBL speakers out here with a Wave Audio certifications. Yes, this is not uses Dollar Vision. It offers you Wave Audio certification out here. Along with that, it also offers you a battery life of 7.4 hours. Yes, it offers you a battery or work time or the run time of approximately 7.4 hours with Bluetooth 4. Yes, Bluetooth connectivity की बात करें, Wi-Fi connectivity की बात करें, if we talk about these kind of things, then it offers you a good Bluetooth connectivity of 4 along with a Wi-Fi of 802.11 AC. Talking about these things, we can also say that it offers you a good connectivity, like with USB 3 type, USB 2 type, USB 3 with DC out there, card reader slotations out there, or input jack out there, power jack. So these kind of things can be seen in this variant too. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, talking about Lenovo's Yoga 3 out there, it has got a security support system of 1K or we can say one key optimization, verification pro out there, map free intersecurity function out there, which is in the 30-day trial functionality. Apart from that, it also offers you online entertainment, which is the newsstand out there, multimedia. If you talk about that, or what kind of a photo editor is then it offers you Lenovo's Photo Master out there. Along with that, you might also get Lenovo's Harmony, Lenovo's Share It out there, Evernote out there. These kind of other inbuilt apps and softwares might also be there. Mostly it is offering, but it might vary according to the variant out available in the market. So talking about this variant, let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, let us visit the site which is named as justatclick.com. Just at click.com, the word itself says a lot about it. Talking about this website, it offers you great range of products. It offers you great range of gadgets out here in your pocket friendly rates. Yes, it offers you pocket friendly rates out here. Along with that, if you talk about the gadgets, it can be customized here. Yes, you can customize your favorite gadgets out there. You can customize your favorite product. Talking about the products out there, this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget in a very limited format out here. Yes, you get to see that you can search in a very limited format. This limited search, we can see that we have typed Yoga 3 out here. And we get to see that yoga series could be seen out and Yoga 3 could be seen out here. Talking about this result, we get to see Yoga 3 out here with a small description box at the bottom, as well as we get to see a small description box at the top, and we get to see there's a condition written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also. Talking about the refurbished products or refurbished brand out here, we can say that refurbished and brand new products, they are quite similar. As well as when we talk about refurbished word itself, then we can say that refurbished word means creating something newly like again. So this is what all refurbished means. And when we say about refurbished or brand new, then the structurality, functionalities, as well as the tests are actually same out here. You will not find any difference out there in the structural, that is the design out here. As well as talking about these variants, then we can say that internal functions are actually same. They are quite same, like whatever the company has stated, they are actually providing the same things. The major difference lies out in the ownership out there. Yes, the ownership has a difference in the role play out here. Talking about the ownership, brand new gadgets are actually untouched. They are from the company itself, direct release from the company. Whereas refurbished products are the ones pre-owned gadgets. These are called the pre-owned gadgets out here. So talking about these gadgets, let us see the pathway which involves how this is pre-owned. Talking about the pathway, that follows a common pathway, that is the base, mediator, and the consumer. This is the pathway followed out. And we can say that refurbished pathway is the extension of brand new. We can say that. Talking about the brand new pathway, we can say Brand new involves the base, which is the company from where the product is being released in the market out here. So this is called as base. Marketplace is nothing else but the, you can say, a bridge out here between the user and the consumer. Yes, this could be said out as this way. Yes, the marketplace is this, whereas the bridge is between company and user, because this has to be somewhere where we can collect and company can sell out. After that, it comes to the user. Yes, now the product is with the user out here. Now user has the power, the product in hand. So this is what refurb branding is all about. This dominates the product out here. Now the gadget is pre-owned. The gadget, the brand or the model, everything is with the user. Now this user becomes the base for refurbished products, because that is pre-owned gadget out here. That product is with the person itself and wants to resell off. Yes, want to resell. Then it is brought back to the marketplace. It is brought back to the mediators. It is brought back in the sites out here, which it can be resold. Yes, or we can resell it. It can be resold out there. Everything could be done. मतलब उस प्रोडक्ट को हम दोबारा से मार्केट में लेकर आते हैं. Now it is brought in the market and is being resold to the new user under the category of refurbished. Yes, this is a new category called refurbished, and this is what refurbished is all about. Now another difference lies out here is the testing testing, we can say, timing. Now what happens is a company, before bringing into the marketplace, tests it. Yes, it is being tested out here. The product is being verified. Everything is being done. Now what happens is, uh, in refurbished products, the product is being tested in the website or the marketplace itself before reselling it. Yes, before it is brought for reselling, it is to be tested in the marketplace. So this is the major difference out here. Now talking about the tests out there, then we can say that there are the same tests which are involved in brand new, whether it is external or internal parameters involving. Like the external involves the display out here, the camera, the buttons out there, the touchpad, the connectors out there, the scratches, everything has to be seen. The display type out there, recording out there, everything has to be checked. Now, externally, जो हम check कर सकते हैं without the use of any equipment or any specified gadget, it has to be checked. Once it is checked out, then it is brought back to the internal parameters. Yes, now external is cleared out. It is given a certificate for external parameters. It is brought to the internal parameters, which are checked out. And once it is checked out, then you get to see that external parameters के मतलब internals में आते हैं. There are various internal components out there, like the processing system, GPU, CPU out there, cache memory, RAM, storage type out there, connectivity, battery life, battery backup out there, internal processing, spindle fibers out, spindle rotation out there, uh, rotational speed, the speed out for the RAM out there. Everything has to be checked. Internal connectivities, internal parameters has to be checked. Now, these internal parameters require a specified, we can say, gadget or specified testing tools, softwares out there. So they are used in these parameters. Once they have been tested, they are brought back to the site with a certification called refurbished or brand certified refurbished. These brand new products are only refurbished products, yes. So we can clearly say that once or always a refurbished product is once a brand new. Yes, once a brand new product can be considered as a refurbished after pre-ionization. So this is what happens out. Now talking about these tests, structure is same, design is same, everything is same out there. So what are the benefits or why it is there, why the two different categories? Talking about these categories, then refurbished products offer you a great benefits out here over brand new. Number one is the rates. Yes, profitable rates. Usually what happens that brand new products are quite expensive out there. They are slightly expensive, we can say, once they're released, whereas the refurbished products are less expensive, we can say, or they are quite pocketable. We can say that they are quite pocketable rates. They are not very expensive out here, so that we need to spend a lot of money on them. They are slightly less expensive. Now, since their ratings differ, their pricing differ, so you get to save a lot of money. Yes, you can save a lot of money out here. So this is the another point, that you get to save a great savings. Apart from that, we already know that brand new products offers you a 1 year warranty period. Yes, you get to have a warranty period, but once a pre-owned phone is brought by us, then we usually don't get warranty period. But if you have a condition written on it, that is refurbished or certified refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty period. Yes, this is what you get to have, 6 months warranty period, along with 7 day exchange policy. 7 days exchange policy, that is a week exchange policy also you get to have. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product over a brand new product. And talking about these benefits, let us see this site offers you same benefits or not. Yes, the site named justatclick.com offers you great benefits, great gadgets, a pocketable friendly rates. We can say pocket friendly rates are there. Delivery time is quite good. COD is available out here. Yes, justatclick.com offers you COD. You get to have hassle-free shopping, free shipping out there, as well as shipping timing is also great out here. It offers you 48-hour shipping timing in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi it might take up to a week, and it might differ upon the timing and the process out there. As well as this site offers you something very amazing, that it offers you customization option also. Yes, what does this customization means? That every gadget has got a different structurality, different internal components. There might be difference in the we can say RAM storage or the normal storage capacity, the Intel processing out there. So there are differences in there. So you can customize your gadget according to your requirement. All that you can do with the helpline number. And if you want to customize also, you can let us know by your order placement. So this site's link has been given in the description, so you can check it out. As well as I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.